Welcome back to Roll for Creamy. First, roll for base. 4, coconut milk. I love using coconut milk because it makes it taste a little tropical. Next up, roll for flavor. 3, white chocolate. Coconut and white chocolate sounds absolutely delicious. I wish we could stop here, but we have a couple more rolls to do. Next up, roll for fruit. 4, banana. This banana is going to help with that creamy texture. I don't want to add too much because banana can get quite overpowering. Last up, roll for wild magic. 12, chickpeas. Great, the beans are back in town. The black bean creamy turned out okay, so I have hope for this. Pop it in the freezer for 24 hours and throw this guy for a spin. I actually spun this a couple of times and I still didn't get that super creamy texture. The top was creamy, but the bottom was still kind of chunky. I gave it a good mix and it turned out looking like this. Taste test. I don't taste the chickpeas, like at all. It changes the texture a bit, but honestly it tastes like straight up banana. Once again, the beans win. I give this 6.7 out of 10.